Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. Just want to talk about the machine that we picked up at, yes, the Goodwill. So it took a little work, not much work. Whoever had it took really great care of it. It's a Kenmore. I don't know the series number of it, but it turned out really good. I oiled it. I took it apart, looked at some pieces on it, and it was really well taken care of. So I put it back together again, put the plate back on, put a bobbin in, and ran it, and it came out. I'm impressed. What did we pay? We paid 19 bucks. We paid $19 for this machine, and it's the wife's new machine. It's gonna be hers for the foreseeable future until I can move on into maybe a mid-arm. That would be great. But for right now, I'm happy, all right? Then maybe she can move up to my baby, all right? If you're wondering where the confidence quilter is, someone needed it. I gave it away, okay? Someone of need needed it. I had it, so I gave it away. So that's pretty much the end of the confidence quilter, okay? But we went and got this, all right? And look at this thing. This thing is really nice. Turn it on here. Look at that light. But you know, I can't let my other half not have. Look at this dog. Would you move, dog? He just tripped over the plug. Hold on here. Connor, move. All right, here we go. Let's plug this in. He's running around teasing. He's teasing Mello. Mello's chasing him, and then he runs in here and knocks off the plug. Watch out, Mello. Okay, so here's the light. Look at this. Sweep on there. Look at that. That's magic, right? That is so awesome. Look at this dog. Would you? Let me get you, dog. All right, so thing does great. I ran a couple of stitches through it. All right, just in case. All right, so I use this piece right here to test stitches out and lengths and stuff, and I love this thing. All right, so let's put it in here. Let's line this thing up. All right, so it's a little loud, okay, but hey, 20 bucks. Pull this up here. Let's pull that. Look at that. This thing is really okay. All right, so you're not gonna be able to see it because it's a red stitch, but hey, look at that. That thing is pretty good. I'm impressed. All right, so $20 from the Goodwill. How can you beat that? And you know, the reason why we really got it is so that so my wife can help me with the secret sew, which is coming up. People are already sending their blocks, 10.5-inch blocks that we're gonna put together to make quilts, Patriot quilts to donate to veterans organizations and to vets. So I'm gonna need a second hand. I may need a third hand. Some of you have offered, and I'm probably gonna take you up on it, okay? I haven't found what I'm gonna use for the sashing yet, but I'll leave that up to those that I recruit for my quilt army, okay? But for right now, I just want to keep you posted on the machine that we got for her. I mean, on here, you know, I had a thread holder that was broken, so you know, I had an extra piece floating around from one of my Amazon encouragements, and I added it to my wife's machine. So now she could put a thread spool on here, and it could feed in correctly, or she can use the standard one. I have this one too, this telescopic, but you know, we have options. And she can go hot on helping me out with putting together some secret sew quilts, because I'm definitely gonna need assistance. Okay, and that's pretty much the update on her machine. We're gonna see it live in action here once these blocks start showing up. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.